There, got a little bit more light in here. Chapter 8, Traveling. This is a short one. I don't have a preferred method of travel. If I'm in a car, I like to stop and see as many sights as I can. That means if I'm going to enjoy the trip, I must add a lot of travel time to wherever I'm going. And it means I have to plan ahead so I know what to see. Do I ever get to do this? Almost never. I'm usually just going from point A to point B in as little time as possible. Of course, if I'm going long distances, I prefer to fly just to get there. My dream has always been to travel all over the United States, stop at as many places as I can, and enjoy as many historical sites of every place I visit. I love history and I love learning the history of wherever I am. As a child, I had a subscription to a history magazine. Each month, that doesn't surprise me at all. Each month, I received in the mail a new little booklet about a particular state. I read pages and pages about each state and had colorful stickers to add throughout the booklet about different places of interest. Since then, I've had a desire to visit many of those places. I realize travel within the United States does not always hold the same interest to others that it does for me. Yet, I have been to the Everglades, Yellowstone, Yosemite, Niagara Falls, and Yorktown, to name a few. I've been to every state except West Virginia, Alabama, and Arkansas. So, some of my childhood travel dreams have come true. In Mrs. Perga's 6th grade class, I did a project for extra credit. I drew a large map of each of the 50 states and then added features such as towns, capitals, rivers, industry, and other minutiae. It was a very detailed, time-consuming project that helped turn my heart to deeply love this country. When the project was graded, I must have had 12 red A's scrawled across the top. That was rewarding to me until I saw Kathy Farnsworth project with about 20 big red A's on it. Oh, Kathy. Kathy made a replica of the United Nations building out of poster board. It was nice, but it certainly didn't have the time and detail my project had. I was never a teacher's pet, and Kathy's grade on my project reinforced to me the blessings of being the teacher's pet. Grumble, grumble, smile.